Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. This is Santosh D'Souza and right now the headlines. BJP set world record in corruption. Rahul Gandhi told public in Haveri. Set SIT ego, bring back to B.S. Yediyurappa. Firebrand Uma Bharati told to BJP. Five arrested, 88 refugees rescued, human trafficking network busted. Kasaragod tragedy, mother-daughter met with watery grave. Ammonium nitrate used for blast, 500 kilometers seized by EC team in Kolar. BJP government in Karnataka has created a world record in corruption, but he was talking about corruption of the central government, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi said in Haveri.
He told a public meeting while campaigning for the Congress candidate in this North Karnataka town, about 300 kilometers from Bangalore. The Karnataka government has created a world record in corruption, but this did not come to Bharatiya Janata Party leaders' attention. Gandhi said the BJP leaders ignored people's welfare and scrabbled for money and argued the electorate to vote Congress back to power to put Karnataka back on development path. The Congress leader was on his second visit to the state to campaign for the party candidates. On Saturday, his mother and Congress President Sonia Gandhi would tour the state on her first of the three trips for campaigning. BJP leader Sushma Swaraj, who was in the coastal town of Mangalore, about 350 km from Bangalore for campaigning, meanwhile hit back at the Congress over corruption in 2G and Colgate.
किसी भी प्रदेश में चले जाइए और पूछिए भैया कर्नाटक के बारे में आपको क्या लगता है, और आपको लोग कहेंगे कर्नाटक की सरकार ने, बीजेपी की सरकार ने करप्शन का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया है। अखबार खोलो, कर्नाटका में रोजगार की बात नहीं, प्रगति की बात नहीं, युवाओं की बात नहीं, सिर्फ लड़ाई चली। बीजेपी के नेता एक दूसरे से लड़ रहे हैं। क्यों लड़ रहे हैं? आपकी प्रगति के लिए नहीं लड़ रहे हैं, आपके पैसे के लिए लड़ रहे हैं।
Uma Bharati, the senior BJP leader, favored bringing former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa back into the party, fold by setting aside ego.
The firebrand leader said those at the helm of affairs should take the initiative as we should toe the line that the government first, individual second. Ego has to be set aside. Asked if she would take the initiative to bring Yediyurappa back into the party fold, the former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister said she was not a so big senior leader and does not consider herself eligible for the task. Those who are at the helm of affairs, they should do it, said Bharati, who was in Bangalore for campaigning for party candidates on May 5th assembly election. Describing Yediyurappa, who quit BJP late last year and formed the religion party Karnataka Janata Paksha, as a Swayam Sevak who had been a dedicated BJP worker. Bharati said she had been attacked to the former Karnataka Chief Minister. He is like my elder brother, and the message is that right now our country is facing a crisis. The crisis in many forms, like never before. So we all have to be together, she said, favoring Yediyurappa's return, adding the BJP should not make any attempts to weaken the party. Asked if BJP electoral prospects are better with or without Yediyurappa, she said it's very difficult to say, but added that BJP is a crate-based party. Recalling that she was out of BJP for about 5 years, Bharati, she said she has realized that fighting the BJP only harmed national interests, adding she is sure others who had left BJP felt exactly the same way.
Now take a short commercial break. 5 arrested, 88 refugees rescued, human trafficking network busted. Kasaragod tragedy, mother-daughter met with watery grave. Ammonium nitrate used for blast, 500 kilometers seized by EC team in Kolar.